Okay, so I'm finally making a new video. Yeah. So, hi. I don't know what that was. I look like I'm naked. But I'm not. I'm never naked. Come on now. I'm supposed to be doing my Spanish homework, but I'm not. Because it's like, oh my god, I didn't even know it was 1 a.m. Yeah, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, and I'll have to be up till like 9, so I'm just chilling. Yeah, and I'm like in a good mood. Like, yeah. I got my Spanish midterm back yesterday. Just guess what I got on it, because like I had a good feeling about it, but I was like, oh my god, right? So guess. Go ahead, take your guess. What do you think it is? You in the back? Yeah. No. No. You in over there? Yeah. What grade do you think I got? Yeah. No. I got 99%. 99%. Oh my god. Like yeah. Yeah. So I'm not doing my homework yet because I will do it later, or I'll just do it when I get home from work tomorrow, because I have like 2 hours in between, so I could like get it done before I go to class. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm being weird. Yeah. So, oh my god. So there has been like these weird noises coming from my backyard, and like tonight, like my dog has been like going crazy. Like she was barking at like the weirdest things. Like she's done this once before, and it was like really scary, and I was like pretty convinced there was like a ghost in my room. And what if there's like a ghost in my house? Like that freaks me out. Like, or what if somebody's like living in my backyard? Like that's even scarier. Like I swear to God, I swear I heard somebody like skateboarding in my backyard. I freaked the fuck out, and I was like, oh my god, this is bad. This is not good. It's freaky. It's scary. So like, so in love with Carly Rae Jepsen. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to like get my homework done. I'll see what it is, and then like if I can't do it, I'm going to sleep. Forget it. I'll do it tomorrow when I'm a little bit older, a little more wiser, so I'll like know a little bit more, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought it was very entertaining, and I will try to make another video like as soon as possible. Okay. You all have a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.